Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, Monday 17th of May 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Okay, let's move into the system and let me share with you guys how I did. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe my channel. And if you would like to know how I trade through this platform and provide live intraday analysis in real time, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour, and last week we had such a beautiful short and then long. So you can see here this morning, as soon as the market opened, if you look at this candle, this was the bullish engulfing candle, and afterwards we had this breakout and a few pips, and afterwards we had another pullback long. We were bullish on Euro USD, as you can see here. So let me share with you guys the analysis. Overall market reaction whole day was consolidation. We haven't seen any big news. So let me see, you can see here these are the two analysis, intraday analysis. This analysis is based on the London morning session, and we had a breakout trade here. As you can see here, as soon as the price broke previous high, and if you look at the 4-hour, price already developed this bullish engulfing candle. That's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break the previous high, we should be looking a long trade here. Target would be this level, but as explained to in our intraday system, these are the fib levels. So that is over the first target, which price nicely hit this target. As soon as the price hit target, explained to trader, you can see here bank few pips or move your stop loss at the break even. So we had a beautiful breakout trade, and at the New York session, when the price could not maintain this breakout, we explained to trader there's a possibility price might gonna continue short. But as I said to my trader, our philosophy is we're going to trade what we see it, not what we think about it. And that's why we did that analysis, that only we're going to take a short trade if the price is going to break the support level, which is in 4-hour. You can see here that's the level. And if the price is going to break this level, so then we will consider excuse me, as a pullback long, which price nicely develop a pullback, you can see here. And as soon as the price hit this Bollinger Band, because at that time we haven't seen any volatility, at that time we explained to trader it's time to consider moving your stop loss, or consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. So these are the two analyses based on the 4-hour price action. We had a long bank beautiful pips, and we had another pullback long on Euro USD. So you can see here we had a nice two trades on Euro USD. Still looking price might gonna hit this level, but we'll let you know tomorrow about the Euro USD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. We had a mixed reaction this morning. We haven't seen any big moves in the if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here we haven't seen big moves. So we were expecting looking this breakout. If you look at here, previous price action, price respected previously this level. We were looking this breakout, or if the price gonna break, you can see the previous high is broken, and we were looking at both areas. So this was the consolidation we were looking to break out, and we're going to take a trade. So as I mentioned to my traders, more likely we were bullish on pound. So any opportunities is going to come bullish, we're going to take. And we had a beautiful trades, two trades bullish on pound dollar. As you can see here, we were expecting after this breakout, we were expecting price might gonna hit this level, which price came back, and we came out at the break even. You can see here that was the breakout trade in the London morning session. We did this analysis, and price broken based on the momentum, and price, as soon as the price hit to the pip channel, and that's what we did explain to our trader. It's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even, which technically came out at the break even. So at the New York session, that's what we explained to trader. Look for if the price is going to break this support, this resistance and support, then we're going to take it. So luckily we had this breakout, as you can see here, consolidation breakout, and based on the momentum, and you can see here price nicely broke on this resistance. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band and first target hit, you can see here, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to consider banking some pips or move your stop loss at the break even. Some of the traders bank beautiful pips, some of them still holding it. The target would be the previous high, so more likely price might going to break the previous high and then shoot down. We'll let you know tomorrow, but these are the two analyses based on the 4 hour, and we refine our entries and exit in intraday. We had a two beautiful long trade, which one came out at the break even, other one traders bank beautiful pips. Right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD 4 hour chart, you can see here we were expecting, if you look at here, so price nicely respected this support and respecting this level. We're expecting price might gonna shoot up, but as I explained to trader, we're going to trade what we see it. We had a once very small pullback long, but came out at the break even. But at the New York session, we had this breakout in 4 hour. Let me explain to you. Intraday, we have this breakout, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the, you can see here at the Bollinger Band in 4 hour and at the fib channel. So we were short on dollar CAD. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. If you look at here this morning, you can see here price already developed channel, which we explained to traders is look like it be bearish flag pattern, but more likely, as I said to my trader, look for this pullback, especially when the price develop double bottom at the support level. That's why we explain it's a opportunity, as explained into the intraday, because we communicate our traders through live audio commentary. That was a good trade, which technically came out at the break even as soon as the price came to around 10-15 pips. We explained to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even, which technically came out at the break even. So at the New York session, you can see here just before opening bell, we did another analysis, and that's what we explained to trader in more details, that technically this is a bearish flag pattern. It's look like it. Even in 4 hour you can see it. And safest trade, as explained to trader, look if the price is going to break the previous high. Normally, as I said to you, we are looking after the breakout, normally after the breakout pullback. But as I said to you, trader, this is look like a bearish flag pattern. Even in 4 hour and in intraday, if the price is going to break, you can see, as mentioned, previous high, recent high, or recent low. So we're going to take it. So we have this short trade here. You can see momentum develop bearish, and afterwards, once the price break the major structure, as I said to you guys, we look for high probability trade as a pullback. So you can see here one pullback, second pullback, and as I will explain to trader, you can see this fib level is always be your first target, and this is would be the second target, which price nicely hit. So we had a beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So this was the good trade. We had it at the Asian session on dollar CAD. So we had it only beautiful, not big big moves, but still we managed few pippies. And the best trade I liked it, that was the Kiwi dollar. We had this breakout this morning. You can see here that was the breakout trade very nicely, especially when we're looking here in 4 hour. Let me explain to you guys, that was a good trade here. If you look at here previous price action, the price nicely basically you can see that's the level which price nicely respected on Friday. So we was expecting to take for pull, if the price is gonna break the sideways market, the safest way look for pullback. So you can see here after the breakout we had a pullback, and that's what we explained to trader based on the 4 hour price nicely respected this resistance and 2 resistance, and that's give us a significant information. And that's what I explained to trader. The first target would be this level, which price nicely hit, and afterwards you can see here price develop another, you can say here, railway track pattern. So if the price is going to respect, break above high, long here, otherwise short here. So we'll let you know tomorrow. So that was the best trade we had it this morning, and afternoon we had it a beautiful breakout long trade on pound dollar and beautiful breakout short trade on dollar CAD. So that was the beautiful trade. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time, even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys that my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis to help them to develop their trading skills and find the good traders who can produce good results, and then we can allocate trading funds through this platform. And if you would like to know how I train and coach through this platform with a real market, feel free to book a one-to-one consultation, which is completely free. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen that this is all purely price action trading. Yes, we build this system to basically help us to predict the price actions both in high time frame and refine the entries in intraday, so we can basically maximize opportunities based on the high time frame price action. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my professional trader. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and until next time, all the best.